Could artificial intelligence be the new colleague in your office cubicle? This is not a far-off science fiction scenario, but a living reality shaping our workplaces. The dawn of AI in the workplace began with simple tasks. Remember the introduction of the first automated telephone switchboards in the mid-20th century? That was one of the earliest forms of AI, designed to route calls without the need for a human operator. As we moved into the 21st century, AI became more sophisticated. It started to learn, adapt, and make decisions. IBM's Deep Blue beating the world chess champion in 1997 was a significant milestone. It was a clear sign that AI had the potential to outperform humans in certain tasks. Fast forward to the last decade, and we witnessed the rise of AI in everyday business operations. Whether it's automating customer service with chatbots or using advanced data analytics for market research, AI has become an integral part of our work lives. In recent years, AI's role in the workplace has evolved further. It's not just about automating tasks anymore, it's about enhancing human capabilities. AI is now being used to write performance reviews, manage HR functions, and even make the 4-day workweek possible. However, this rapid evolution hasn't been without controversy. The use of AI in workplaces has sparked debates on job security, data privacy, and ethical considerations. A significant concern is the fear of AI leading to job cuts. Surveys indicate that a large percentage of workers, especially millennials, are worried about AI causing wage declines. On the other hand, there's an interesting paradox. Many of these same workers are excited about the potential for AI to reduce their workload. Some would even accept a pay cut for a shorter work week enabled by AI. The stress management aspect of AI is another area garnering attention. With the right tools, AI could help alleviate workplace stress, particularly among women executives who tend to internalize and personalize stress more. But the most recent development is perhaps the most controversial. Emotion Artificial Intelligence, or EAI, is being used to monitor employees' emotions. While companies argue that EAI can help understand customers better and improve productivity, critics raise concerns about privacy and potential bias. In summary, AI has come a long way from the automated switchboards of the mid-20th century. It's now a complex tool that can analyze data, make decisions, and even understand human emotions. But as it continues to evolve, so does the debate around its impact on our workplaces. From job security to data privacy, and from stress management to emotional surveillance, AI is reshaping the workplace in profound ways. It's up to us to navigate this new landscape, ensuring that the benefits of AI are harnessed while its potential pitfalls are carefully managed.